Defining rights. Different groups interpreted independence in different ways. A common consensus among the conflicting ideas was a task to achieve. The problem with separate electorates. Separate electorates were demanded so that the minorities could be represented adequately in the political system. It was argued that a non-Muslim could not be a true representative of Muslims and vice versa. The nationalists viewed the demand for separate electorates as another divisive move by the British. They, however, apprehended widespread violence, civil war and riots if the demand was not heeded to. Govind Ballabh Pant called it a suicidal demand. Not all Muslims supported the idea of a separate electorate. We will need much more than this resolution. N.G. Ranga, a socialist and leader of the peasant movement, welcomed the legal rights granted to each individual constitutionally, but also drew attention to its limitations. He said that poor people needed protection to be able to enjoy their rights. Jaipal Singh, the representatives of the tribals in the assembly, also insisted on reservation of seats and special rights for the protection of the tribal people. We were suppressed for thousands of years. J. Nagappa vociferously argued that safeguards alone could not protect the interests of the depressed classes or untouchables who were socially distanced since thousands of years. Eventually, the Constituent Assembly recommended abolition of untouchability, access to all castes in Hindu temples, and job reservations to lower castes in government offices. The move, though incapable of eliminating age-old discrimination, was welcomed by the democratic public.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.